Chicken fillet with almonds and yogurt and cream. We'll be needing half a cup of grinded almonds, 4 big pieces of chicken fillet, cleaned and dry, then cut in the manner that you see, 1 chopped medium onion, 4 chopped garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger and turmeric minced, 3 crushed cardamoms. We prepared everything. Now let's start cooking. On a high heat, place a big wok and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Add 2 bay leaves to the hot oil. Add the 4 cloves of chopped garlic and the 1 medium chopped onion and stir. After 1 minute, add 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger and turmeric minced. Add the crushed cardamom. Now add all the chopped chicken and stir. Keep cooking for 5 minutes. Add a half cup of yogurt, stir and bring to boil. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 cup of crushed almonds. And stir. Then bring to boil. Keep boiling for 3 minutes. Then add half a cup of milk and half a cup of water. Stir well, then cover and cook on medium heat. After 5 minutes, open the lid and add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water. Dissolve and then add it to the sauce to thicken it. Let it boil uncovered for 1 minute and add 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and it's done. Serve with jasmine rice or basmati rice.